Mobile gaming with the ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro. This phone is a beast, and if you're a serious gamer on the go, you need to pay attention. Let's not waste any time. Here are the 5 reasons why the ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro should be your next gaming phone. It's an absolute powerhouse. It's packing the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 mobile platform, which means buttery smooth frame rates and the ability to run even the most demanding games on max settings. Plus, with up to a whopping 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, multitasking and switching between apps is a breeze. It boasts a display that can keep up. We're talking a gorgeous 6.78-inch E6 AMOLED display with a 2400x1080 resolution, a blazing fast 165Hz refresh rate, and a ridiculous 720Hz touch sampling rate. This translates to insane responsiveness, crystal clear visuals, and butter-smooth gameplay that will leave you speechless. ROG phones haven't always been camera champions, but the ROG Phone 8 Pro changes the game. While the exact 50-megapixel main camera, ASUS is boasting a significant camera upgrade. It has a triple camera system on the back, along with a much improved 32 megapixels front camera for flawless selfies. Gamers know the struggle of a dying phone mid-match. The ROG Phone 8 Pro solves that problem with a massive 5500 mAh battery. But it doesn't stop there. This phone supports 65 watts fast charging, which means you can go from 0 to hero in under an hour. Plus, you get 15 watts wireless charging for added convenience. It isn't just powerful hardware, it's a complete gaming ecosystem. The phone comes packed with features designed to elevate your mobile gaming experience. We're talking built-in air trigger buttons for ultimate control, the ever-evolving Game Genie app for performance optimization and in-game tools, and a unique design with a built-in cooling system to keep your phone from overheating during intense battles. ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro is a mobile gaming powerhouse that offers incredible performance, a stunning display, a camera upgrade, a long-lasting battery, and a treasure trove of gamer-centric features. If you're looking for the ultimate mobile gaming experience, the ROG Phone 8 Pro is a serious contender. Let me know in the comments below what excites you most about the ROG Phone 8 Pro, and be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome tech content.